Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, we have a $20 mystery box from Colored RAINE. This is, I think it's called like the Winter Mystery Box of 2020. So if you want to see what's inside, was it worth the $20? Then keep on watching. All right, so this just came in Wednesday. Yeah, the day before Thanksgiving. Looking for my cutter. And today is Friday when I'm filming this. So yeah, they only had one mystery box and it was $20 and it was called like the Winter Mystery Bag of 2020. So it didn't come in a bag, it came in a box. So maybe there is a bag inside of here. I don't know, but we shall see. And if you haven't already, I do have a second channel. I did put the first video up already. I'll leave it down below if you want to check that out. This, I was going to say subscription box. This channel is more like subscription unboxings, mystery boxes, makeup, beauty related. That channel is going to be more on a personal related story times, like if I'm cooking in my kitchen, you know, different things like that. So if that's something that you're interested in, like I said, I'll leave it down below. All right, so let's get into this puppy. I am trying to think if I ever had a mystery box from Colored RAINE. I think I did a few years ago. I think I did. I'm not sure, but $20, you can't beat that. All right, so that's what she looks like. There's a sneak peek. Not too much, but I keep looking at it because it's like, there is so much stuff in here. Like, I'm shocked. Okay. Yes. All right, let's see what this puppy is. Okay, so this is just says Winter Mystery Bag. So there's no bag in here, so, you know, whatever. I don't know why I'm thinking too much on it. All right, so let's pull out the first thing that I see. Something is wrapped up here. What the heck? So it's like a little Christmas gift. It's like so cute. I don't want to open it. I want to put it under my tree. So you get two sponges. You get a red and you get a green. And I guess some soap to clean your sponges. But I'm going to have to take you apart because I've never tried their sponges. So I want to see what they feel like. All right. Oh, they feel really nice, actually. So they kind of are the ones that have that little thing there, which I love these because I do my fake contouring. I don't contour, so I'll put like my bronzer on and then I'll go in with powder and kind of do that and then wipe it off. It's like a fake contour. But they feel really good. Okay. And then you get two of these little soaps. I'm really excited for this. All right. So there we go. So far, so good. All right. It looks like we have 3 single eyeshadows. So the first one is like a dark green color. This says Gumby. Oh, remember the show Gumby years ago back in the 90s with the, you know, the Gumby? All right. So we have that. Then this is like a silverish purple shimmer shadow. It's called Flashing Lights. And the reason why I am not taking this, can you see? Out of the packaging, because I might put this in a future giveaway, because I know I don't go for single eyeshadows. And then this one is called, what is it called? Moments. And this is like a burgundy color. Okay, so we have that. 3 eyeshadows. So then we have 3 of these. And what is this? This is called Focal Point Glow Lighters. And we got 3 of them, so I'm not sure how much these are. All right, so let me turn you down. I don't know if I got you too bright or not. All right, so that's what the packaging looks like, and there's 3 of them. I never know, like, how to get this so you guys can see it. All right, I don't know what shade this is, so let me open you up. What you be? What you be? All right, so this is the shade Cutie Pie. Now that I don't know why the lights are looking like this today. Now that I remember, I think I did get a mystery box maybe a year or 2 years ago because I did get this shade. This is like a pinkish color. So I'm not going to swatch this. I'm going to put it in a future giveaway. You do have a mirror. It's like a peachy, why is these lights? Let me figure something out. Hold the phone. All right. I don't know if that worked, but this is what it looks like. It's like a peachy, pinkish color. So I don't want to swatch this one. All right. So then we have another one here. Yeah, I don't see the shades on the box. This one is called Watch Me Work. Oh, this is definitely too dark. So it has a mirror. It's like a light brown color, I guess. Definitely too dark for me. So I'm not going to swatch that one. Hopefully, the last one is the right shade. Let's see. So this one is called Fashion Show. Let's see. Oh, yes. So it's like a... Oh, there you go. It's like a champagne-ish white color. Oh, it feels so like buttery. That's nice. I don't know if this is going to be too light for me or not. It's right there. We shall see. All right, so we have that. I'm going to put this over here so I don't get it confused. All right, what else we got? We have this right here. This is, it says Colored Rain X Power. This is a highlighter and blush duo. Okay. It says Prove My Loyalty. Yeah, that's the shade name. And let's see. Ooh, okay, so it has that. So you have a nice mirror here, but look at this. That is just gorgeous. That's really nice. I know this is probably going to be way too light for me. It's like, oh, it's like a, kind of like a duochrome. It's like a pinkish silver color. Let's see. Yeah, this one here that I just swatched is definitely lighter than this. That's really gorgeous. All right, let's do the blush. It's like a red color. That's pretty though. Wow, that's pigmented. That's like very pigmented. With my blushes, I don't like them so pigmented because it's harder to blend, at least for me. But I can either use it as an eyeshadow or just go in with a very light hand. But it's really, really pretty. Oh, all right. I'm definitely excited. Let me clean my fingers off. Okay, so we have that. Then we still, guys, have a lot to go. I mean, look, we still have a lot. Okay, so this here looks like a lipstick. It says Matte Classic Lipstick in the shade Implicated. Let's see. I hope it's not a red shade. Because usually around the holidays, that's what we get, like a lot of red shades. Oh, the packaging's really, really pretty. Okay, let's see. Oh, no, okay. It's like a mauve color. That's gorgeous. Let's do a little swatchy swatch. Ooh, that's really pretty. I like that a lot. All right. I favor bullet lipsticks more than liquid lipsticks, so I'm really glad to get this. So then we have 4 of these. What are these? They look like they're all the same thing. This is liquid glitter toppers. I love liquid glitter toppers. Okay, so this first one is in the shade Conspiracy. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. That's like a bluish color. Look at that. That is so pretty. Okay. So it's a regular doe foot applicator. Doesn't look like a lot's coming off though. Let's see. Yeah, it's... Okay, let me just show you. It's extremely like sheer. You have to really build that up. So I went in 4 times to try to build that up for you so you guys can see. And it's still pretty sheer, but it is a topper. So I only built it up so you can see the color. So this is not meant to be like very opaque and like, you know, like the kind of like the Stila ones. This is more where you just put a little glitter. It goes on top, you know? All right, so we got that. All right, so then we have one in Indictment. I think that's what it says. It's a little blurry for me. Okay, so this is like a darker blue. Let's see if you can see. I always change my backdrops up, and then when I notice I do that because of the color difference, I got to get used to the lights, you know? It's like I start getting used to the lights and I change it up. Okay, let's see. This is like a purplish blue. All right, so see, it's like a purple color. All righty. So the next one is Connect. Yes. This is like a gold color, very pretty. All right, I had to cut off because the dog got under here, but this is like a gold color. Let's see. Yeah, these are very, very sheer. So I don't even know if you can see that. What you would have to do is put it on, wait for it to dry, and go on with another coat, you know? All right, and lastly is Rico. And this is like a silver color. This is pretty. This is like silver, and it's got like pink and purple in it and stuff. Very pretty. All right, so we have that. And then we have two of these things. What is this? Lip glosses. Yeah, 2 lip glosses. All right, this is in the shade Firecracker. That surprised me. I thought it was going to be red, but it's like a greenish color. Let's see. That's really pretty. Let's put you right there. Oh! No, it's coming out red. Inside the tube, if you guys can see, looks yellowish green. Wow. Okay. Inside, I don't know what you can see. It's like a duochrome. Can you see it changes colors to like greens? And let me see if I turn you down. Can you see? There's the glitter. Maybe you can see the glitter better. That is so cool. Oh, I love that. All right, and then the last one is called Tropical Vibes. And it looks like an orangey color inside. Let's see. And it looks orange on the doe foot applicator. Yeah, and now this is coming off like what you see in the tube. Right here. Really pretty. It's like an orangey and yellow. It's like they're duochromes. They're gorgeous. All right, let's recap everything that I got for $20. I mean, you can't beat this. So you got 2 lip glosses. We have 4 glitter toppers, but I can only find 3. I don't know where the other one went that quick. I lost it. But there's 4 of them. We have this matte lipstick that is right here, really pretty. We got the Duo, the highlighter and blush. We got 3 of these, what are they called again? Glow lighters. We got 3 eyeshadows, single eyeshadows, and then you got 2 sponges and 2 soaps. I mean, this is really good for $20. I think this is probably the best mystery box I ever got for $20 for the price. I said that about the Juvia's place because that was really good. But this one, I mean, hands down, you got so much for the value for $20. Let me know what you guys thought. Did you get the Colored Rain mystery box? I believe it's sold out now. If not, I will link it down below. I kind of wish I would have got 2 of these now, you know, to see if you got different ones or you got the same. I don't know, but this was so good. I am really excited. Let me know what you thought of this mystery box. Did you think it was worth the 20 bucks? Would you have got it? Let me know all the tea down below. I have a few more. I have an Ofra one. Ofra had 2 of them. And so one of them came in. I'm going to unbox that one on another video. And then I'm waiting for the other one to come in. Like, I am really into mystery boxes lately. I don't know what it is. But let me know all your thoughts. And let me know if you enjoy seeing me unboxing mystery boxes. Let me know down below. Alright guys, that is everything. Don't forget to like this video. It really does help me out and it only takes a second. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell. Make sure that you tap it and it's on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos. And God knows YouTube doesn't like to notify you. So, and that's everything guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Where the heck is that glitter topper? How the heck did I lose it that quick? Come on now.